Hey all, this is Shayan Devkar. We are going to see one deployment, and I've been working in industry from last couple of years, and I'm into Accelerated certified person. So in this video, we're gonna look about one project which is like Django to do CI/CD. Basically, we are gonna publish this project on the CI/CD pipeline, and with the help of pipeline, we're gonna deploy it. With the production part. Okay, so let's begin with the practical parts and see how we can deploy any projects on the on the EC2 instance on the Jenkins part. So going into the we have this EC2 instance. We have launched EC2 instance over here, and our EC2 instance been running, and we have connected with the string. After connecting with the string, we need to check either our Jenkins is running or not, like by systemctl uh, Jenkins status Jenkins. Guys, so sorry, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so our Jenkins is already in running state. If you don't have a downloaded Jenkins, you can go on the internet and you can just download the Jenkins and the Java. If we need to check on which port it's running, we can check by netset-tnlp command. So we can see our Jenkins is running on port number 8080 on the Java. Okay, so we need to log in it now. We have a public URL, public IP, and we need to put in the browser with the colon 8080. After pushing it down, we gonna have a login URL for the Jenkins. We need to give our username. This in the first time when you are going to do this, you are not going to see this URL. You have to give the username. I'm just logging in the second, third, fourth, fifth time, so I'm have a login credentials with me. Okay, so now signing in into the Jenkins part. Let's just hold yeah, so we can see our Jenkins dashboard has been running. So now what we are going to do, we need to create a CI/CD freestyle project so we can deploy this. Go on to the new items, then put giving any name like Django app for the CI/CD. Okay, unsafe characters. Okay, CI/CD we have given this. Then using the freestyle projects, going to the okay, then let's wait for the few seconds. Let's okay, so we have this dashboard over here. Now we are going to give about the description part, like its general description. You can write anything you want. So we are just writing this is pipeline of Jenkins. Whatever description you want to give, you can give the descriptions over here. Then slowly going downside, we need to discard our old builds, like how many days we need to keep the builds if empty. So we are just giving here 1, and for the maximum hash for to keep the build, so we are just giving 5. Like it's the day of number of we want to keep the buildings parts, the records part. It depends on us we want or not, but for me I generally use this. Then providing the GitHub project URL. So we have a GitHub project URL. This is our GitHub project URL, and we are gonna paste here our GitHub project URL. Then going slowly down, we are going to provide our SCM, like from where it gonna take our code. So providing with the CI/CD, and don't forget to write .git in the end, because it gonna fetch registry from it. Like you can see, it has been successfully configured in the git part. We need to write .git in the add as the extension part. Then coming to the like in the yeah, in the branch to build, like we have a branch, it's master only, it depends on you. Whatever you branch have created, we need to give the path over here in the branch section. After going to the branch, it depends on us to build trigger. As of now I am just leaving here Then going to the build stage part, we need to write the execute shell whatever we want to execute. So for this I also have the repository over here. I have written some script. Just as of now, just copy and just paste. I will just provide this link into the description part, so you can just take from there. Okay, so what we have written first, you recall like it gonna provide DevOps CI/CD started, then CI/CD started by user, then echo part, then we are gonna check this status of the Docker is running or not. Then we are going to build our Django app. After building a stage, and we're gonna expose it. Then after exposing, we need to save it. Then we need to build now. So you can see it's failed. Let's check why it's got failed and this console output. Okay, so execute shell. Docker isn't running. Okay, so if Docker is not running, we need to just start the Docker from here. Start Docker. Okay, so our Docker has been started. We can also check systemctl status Docker. Yeah, it's running now. Let's rebuild our pipeline again. Build now. So I think, yeah, it's again. So let's see what's the issue. We are just going step by step. Yeah, so it's been successfully configured, like you can see. Yeah, we have different here. We have written the script. CI/CD pipeline started, then CI/CD started, then who am I? We are Jenkins user. Then we have code stage, then we have build stage. We have also checked like systemctl status for the Docker. Is Docker running or not? If it's not running, we can go to the EC2 instance and we can launch from here. After this successfully done, we are just going to build our Django image. It's been successfully built. We have different stage. It's been successfully done. Then we have written the test stage, is testing and deployment stage, and we have exposed our Docker container and the image on the port 8000. So let's go into the console and let's connect on the port 8000. We're just putting the IP and 8000 slash our todo app. Okay, todo app slash. When we hit enter, you can see our todo checklist has been successfully configured over here. If you want to delete this, if you want to something, you need to act like happy new year. Okay, happy new year. I need to contribute on GitHub. Okay, that's you just need to add. So here you can use yeah, this has been done. So let's add one more thing like docker file. Okay, so we have added. As the thing is been done, you can just click on the done, like today this thing been done, and you can delete from here also. So that's it for our today's and this project. You can easily deploy. If you get any issue, you can just contact me on my LinkedIn, and if you want any help or suggestion, you can just comment down in the below part, and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, thank you guys, thank you.